Hello everyone, I am Rahul Raj. In this video, I am going to introduce you to what is JavaScript and advantages of JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language created by Netscape, and Netscape is the first popular web browser. JavaScript is an object-oriented language that allows creation of interactive and dynamic web pages. It is an interpreter language with object-oriented capabilities. It supports polymorphism, encapsulation, and to some extent inheritance as well. JavaScript runs in browser and the script should be included in or referenced by an HTML document for the code to be interpreted by the browser. JavaScript is first known as LiveScript, but Netscape changed its name to JavaScript, and JavaScript has nothing to do with Java. JavaScript is a lightweight interpreter client-side programming language. It is usually embedded directly into HTML pages. JavaScript is embedded between the script HTML tags, and these tags are embedded within the head or body tags. Now we discuss about advantages of JavaScript, an interpreter language. JavaScript is an interpreter language which requires no compilation steps. This provides an easy development process. The syntax is completely interpreted by the browser just as it interprets HTML tags. Embedded within HTML, JavaScript does not require any special or separate editors for programs to be written, edited, or compiled. It can be written in any text editor like Notepad along with appropriate HTML tags and saved as filename.html. Minimal syntax, easy to learn. By learning just a few commands and simple rules of syntax, complete application can be built using JavaScript. Quick development. Because JavaScript does not require time-consuming compilations, script can be developed in a short period of time. This is enhanced by the fact that many GUI interface features such as alerts, prompt, confirm boxes, and other GUI elements are handled by client-side JavaScript, the browser, and HTML code designed for simple, small programs. It is well suited to implement simple, small programs. Such programs can be easily written and executed at an acceptable speed using JavaScript. Performance. JavaScript can be written such that the HTML files are fairly compact and quite small. This minimizes storage requirements on the web server and download time for the client. Procedural capabilities. Every programming language needs to support facilities such as condition checking, looping, and branching. JavaScript provides syntax which can be used to add such procedural capabilities to web page coding. Designed for programming user events. JavaScript support object or event-based programming. JavaScript recognizes when a form button is pressed. This event can have suitable JavaScript code attached, which will execute when the button pressed event occurs. Easy debugging and testing. Being an interpreter language, scripts in JavaScript are tested line by line, and the errors are also listed as they are encountered. That is, an appropriate error message along with the line number is listed for every error that is encountered. Platform independent or architectural neutral. JavaScript is a programming language that is completely independent of the hardware on which it works. It is a language that is understood by any JavaScript-enabled browser. Thus, JavaScript applications work on any machine that has an appropriate JavaScript-enabled browser installed. This machine can be anywhere on the network. JavaScript is truly platform independent. A JavaScript program developed on Unix machine will work perfectly well on a Windows machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section.